I've been busy fixing the stations and the pole. Actually, about to go to the bathroom too, but the pole broke, and not surprising. I didn't even check. I'm just looking at it right now when you guys are looking at it too. But look at that. I knew it. Look, I knew that the glove though, the glove part is in there. What actually? So this didn't break. This is the plastic that I thought it was. That is it plastic? Yeah, it's plastic. But you can see. Look at that. There, that glove is still in there, and that's still super tight. Like that's very tight. I told you that the glove it works like a, you know, gasket or a, I don't know, what would you call it, wedge. Um, what broke was the fiberglass. Kept calling it carbon fiber. If it was carbon fiber, it wouldn't have broken, but fiberglass broke. But the pole is good. I'm probably pushing more back and redo it, but that um, sleeve of of leather glove, which is leather, it worked perfectly. I mean, it really did. I mean, it's on there. It's on there. It's on there. Probably if I had gloves, I could probably take it off because it could swivel just a little tiny bit. But yeah, no, it's on there. It's yeah. Anyways, but you say that. I thought that this piece was gonna break. The sleeve in the, not the carbon, not the fiberglass. Anyways, but that's an update. A beautiful morning today. Beautiful morning today. Yes, it is. A beautiful morning. Oh, I got to set it up again. Then I was gonna weld something to it, but I didn't think I needed to. But anyways. All right, fellas. I moved the carp. Still have to fix it a little bit over there, but fix the carp a little bit because so the water won't come in through there. Um, but it's hanging still. I still need to, hook it up over there. But remember that other other one I was talking about? Now it's I had to weld a piece. I have longer ones, but I think it's enough. Let's see. I wanted to have a little drop, so I might actually even pull it down more. But yeah, so I had a weld, pretty good weld. You know, not my. I think one of my best. I would say not my first though, but you know, hey, for what it is, for what it is, it's not bad. But yeah, uh, I've been welding here and there. Nothing professional. I have this tooling. Um, I saw it on the YouTube. The guy who was reviewing it said it was pretty good, but the interface and all that, it looks different from the one that he had online. And some of the parts inside the thing itself, they're plastic. They're not steel no more. So, but yeah, I had to weld that piece. As you saw, it looks a little bit better. But I haven't been welding. I haven't been welding for a long time. Like I had the Harbor Freight. So the Harbor Freight, that's the first one I had, and it was okay. I welded some pieces, but then I saw online that you shouldn't use that one because it's garbage for structural, strength or structural things. So it was $100. So I still have it, but yeah, it's not good. And then it every time it sparks and when it makes a short, it welds, it splatters, like it shorts beforehand, so it's not that good. I just told him, you saw it. It's really good. I'm surprised. You know, like I said, I'm not a professional welder, just you know, a DIYer, or you know, from home, you know. So, but hey, for my 6 or 7, um, you know, structural strength welds, or good welds, that it's gonna be for items that, for projects that are gonna be permanent. It's not bad. All right, so still down. I finally put that up. See, so it's it's okay. I wanted it to fit through there because, so like that I don't get that rain coming in, but it's fine. Um, like I said, yeah, it's pretty good. Only thing now is I'm gonna weld another piece because um it's too short. So I should have welded a longer piece from the scrap yard. Right? I should have welded, you know, a better piece, but I didn't. So, but I guess it's fine. Let me bring my hat. All right. Got it clamped on. For some reason, look, you see that right there? For some reason, the current, when it went through this, it makes a spark to that too. So I guess I don't know if that's typical for welders, but hey, just gonna. Oh, look, that's bent. All right, just make some touches. Think I might have. Let's see. Yep. Think I might have welded that. Yep. Well, I welded the tip. Got too close. Welded it. See that? I welded the tip. It's welded completely. So I have to put another one. Let me turn this off. So my sound went out for some reason. Computer was having some problems, and didn't get some of the weld done. But I added some of that metal bar. I think it's for, you know, stands or something. I don't know. I got it at a scrapyard for free. So I think it's like 4 feet or something. Anyways, I did pretty good weld. I did full 3-inch weld on each side, but it came out pretty good, very stable. So there you go. Just gonna put that up now. We want to see how that goes. Well, as you can see in the video, I went over far away, but I went over and secured the canvas carp to that weld that I made, that pole in the ground. Pretty good. It doesn't sag as you used to, and it's a much more stable than what I had, the fiberglass tubing there. Much better. I'm happy how it turned out. The only thing is to wait to see how it does in the rain. Other than that, I feel pretty confident with it. There's nothing too critical there on that side, so I should be good until it starts to rain or something crazier happens. That's much better. That's much better. Yeah, watch this. So here I'm just showing you how that weld came out. with that carp now fully extended and pulled and secured. Like I said, looks very good. Very happy with it. Don't think I'll change it, and I don't think it'll survive, the winter, the rain. So we'll see. Right? Well, next thing to do is that skill saw, make that table, and then I want to make a better table for the the compound saw. I think that's what it's called, or miter saw. Miter saw. I'm gonna make a good table for the miter saw. That's next, and the skill saw table. Yeah, here we go. Like always, keep things.